Ganda-ganda. Ah, pogi-pogi ng aking honey. Ay, alam mo na, miss kitahan. Sana'y alam mo na.
Happy anniversary.
Yes, honey. Happy anniversary.
Happy everything.
Your birthday's coming.
Yeah, my birthday's coming. Yes.
What do you like?
What do I like? I like my family. I like just the way it is. Keep moving forward. I have the best wife. I have the best family, the best children. And best of all, we have Jesus.
Yes, honey. Thank you. I love you always. Thank you for loving me.
Yes, I love you.
You are my 3-in-1, honey. You're so very, you know, it's not enough to express your word. You know that already and you feel that, right?
Yes. Of course.
But you know what, honey? I love you always, okay?
Yes.
Come on, let's go now. Sounds like jewelry. It's nice. Yeah, I like that. I like that too. I like this one. Oh, puzzle. Okay. Okay. I like this one, Han. I like this earrings, Han. Oh, the necklace. I like this one. That diamond, 1,399. Wedding band, I like that one too. Because we are 12 years married, we are planning to change our wedding ring because we have a white gold platinum. So we are 12 years, so we will have a gold. Gold with platinum. I like this watch. Wow, wonderful. I like that one. Gift ko kaya kay Honey. Ay, yung birthday niya. Malapit na. Surprise gift. Meron siyang diamond. So, dito. Hindi pa pwede kasi. Si baby naman kasi niya eh. Bibilhin ko yung Seiko na yan. Solar. Ganda-ganda ng Bolivia. So, gusto ko yung isang ang mahal naman. $500. $1,000. Yung na yun? Ba yung makapal? Makapal? 100 14 karat gold. Wow, Christmas na dito sa Sam's Club. Wow, guys. The spirit of Christmas is already here. Ang na to, guys. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Sa mga bulk quantity. Guys, pag bibili kayo dito sa Sam's Club, ay bulk quantity. Kaya pang maramihan dito yung mga ang lalaki. Sam's Club. Wow. Ang laki nito, guys. Oh. Model daw ako ng corn chips. Charot! Ako naman ang addict sa nuts. So ngayon, bibili ako ng nuts. Cashew whole nuts. My gosh. Ayos ha? Mga kasi ang aking kinainan ni baby, oh. Sa mga tayo dito sa Manny's, yung favorite ko. Asa na yun? I'll get you now.